So Project Gutenberg has been going for a while, and the community is really exploring what is possible with Gutenberg.
Yes, and the most notable plugin we've seen so far is Stackables, so we'll give you a quick demo.
So Stackable is a plugin developed by Gambit Technologies, and it adds a couple of useful blocks to Gutenberg. And as you can see, it integrates nicely with the Gutenberg UI. Same sort of icons and typography, this is a little bit more colorful. And they offer different options, sort of ready-made blocks if you want to build a sales page, a landing page, one-page sort of demonstration of your product. And it's not really something that you couldn't do in Gutenberg, but this just makes it easy for you. So this is a great example of how you can build custom blocks to suit your needs, and we hope that more people will try it in future.
Thanks for watching our video.
I'm Anton.
I'm Tim.
And we're the good guys.
Want to know more about Gutenberg?
Watch the whole series on youtube.com/Yoast and subscribe.